Hello students, today we are going to learn logic gates by using circuit diagrams. So carefully observe logic gates. In the logic gate first we are going to learn OR gate. The symbol of OR gate, this is the symbol of OR gate. So these are two inputs, A and B are two inputs and Y is the output. Y is equal to, this is Boolean algebra. By Boolean algebra Y is equal to A plus B. So A plus B means if we give A value and B values. So if we give A value 0 and B value 0, Y value what we get here? A plus B. So A plus B means 0 plus 0, 0 comes. So if A value is 1, B value is 0, 1 plus 0, 1 will come. Output is 1 here. Next if A is 0 and B is 1, so 0 plus 1 you will get 1, output 1. So that means next last condition, both are 1. That means both are connected to the positive terminal and both are S. Then 1 plus 1, 1 only comes. Don't write 2 here. So this is the, by using Boolean algebra, you will get a truth table for this one. So this is symbol you should remember. Input, two inputs having, output is 1 in circuit diagram. So what we use, so on and off circuits, and also the circuits are used in televisions and also mobiles, TFT screens. So two diodes are used, D1, D2, and here output, Y is output, A, B are inputs. Here we will give one is positive, one is negative. Then whatever you given positive terminal, that gives the electricity, and whatever you given negative terminal, it won't give current. Current cannot pass through it. So if you connect both are positive, both will give the current passes through these two diodes. So what is diode? First you see. You see diode. This is the diodes. I took two diodes. You see this diode. In this diode, this is the positive and the silver line indicates negative terminal. So this is negative terminal, this is positive terminal. Silver line indicates negative terminal, positive terminal. This diode number is IN4007, diode number. So I took two diodes to complete this circuit, and also I am taking one resistor. So you see, in this resistor, colors you observe here. I think it is visible to you. So brown, black, and brown. That means 100 ohms. So 100 ohms resistor. So here diode is, number is this one, and the resistor value is 100 ohms I am taking to protect the LED. This is a LED, light emitting diode I connected to detect the output, whether output is current passing or not. I connected a LED, light emitting diode. This is also diode, light emitting diode. Here you get a light. This is the light emitting diode. So you see, this is light emitting diode. So this I will connect here to check whether output is coming or not. Next, truth table we will see later on. This is truth table. When A terminal is connected to the battery positive terminal or battery negative terminal, first we take negative terminal, and B terminal also negative. Both are negative means both are zero, because we are not giving any voltage or any current through these two diodes. Then output also zero, and finally here LED does not glows. That means output will get 0. 0 means 0 will put output Y is equal to. Next A is 1, B is 0 means for A we are connecting positive terminal and for B negative terminal. So current passes here circuited. This diode is short circuited. This diode acts as a switch. Switch is off. Switch is off. No current passes through it, and here passes. This current passes in this way and reaches to the LED. LED will glow and circuit completes. And so current is passing means 1 will come. So next case 0 1. 0 1 means for A terminal you have to connect to the negative terminal, for B positive terminal, and through A current does not pass because it is connected to the negative terminal, and a diode acts as a switch is opened, no current passes through, and here positive terminal you connected, it is in forward bias means which is here circuit is short circuited, current flows through it and reaches to the output, and the LED glows, that indicates so output is 1. Next, both are connected to the positive terminal. If you connect both are positive terminal, diode acts as a forward bias. In forward bias, current flows. In reverse bias, current does not flow. In forward bias, both will short circuited. Both diodes are short circuited, and current flows through it and reaches to the output. So we detect the current by observing the light emitting diode. Light will glow. This gives the one result. So this is the or gate. Now we see by using breadboard. So I took one breadboard to show this experiment practically. So here, this is the breadboard. We used this to do the electronic experiment practically. This breadboard is used to connect all these circuits. First, I am taking two diodes. I already told no, this number is IN4007. Now in this circuit I am going to connect two diodes here. One diode is here, so carefully connect. So diode is connected. Next, one more diode I am going to connect. D1 is connected, D2 also I am going to connect. So same line I took here, positive terminal. Okay, second diode also connected. These two are positive terminals, these are negative terminals of the diode. These are black color, this is silver lines, these two sides. So this connection is over. Here you have to connect these two. By using wire, I am going to connect these two connections also. So if you connect these two, so these two is connected. Next, one resistor, 100 ohms resistors I am going to connect. Somewhere you have to take here. Okay, resistor also connected. Next, LED also connected. Okay, LED bulb also connect. Positive terminal to the resistor and negative terminal to the negative terminal of the battery. Now we will take two more wire leads to give the input to the diodes. Here input to this diode. This one is A and this is B terminal. Another input to B terminal. So these are A, B, this one A, this one B. Now battery I am going to take this one, 9 volts battery. So this is positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Positive terminal, this is negative terminal. Now positive terminal I am going to connect here, this side. Okay, positive terminal I connected that, and negative terminal this side of the breadboard. Okay, now carefully observe. First I am going to give you A to the positive terminal and B to the negative terminal. That means first I am going to give both are negative terminals. Both are 0 now. So these are negative terminals. So A is connected to the negative terminal and this is B. B also connected to the negative terminal. So LED is not blocked. So current is not passing. So resultant Y is equal to 0. Next A is connected to the positive terminal and B is connected to the negative terminal. 1 means positive terminal, 0 means negative terminal. So this one is A, this one B. B is connected to the negative terminal only now. So I keep negative terminal as this for B, 0 no. A is positive terminal. Now I am going to connect A to the positive terminal. So if you connect A to the positive terminal, LED will close. That means current passes through in this way. Current passes through in this way and LED glows. Okay. Next, third condition. A is connected to the negative terminal, B is connected to the positive terminal. First remove both terminals. Okay. So A is connected to the 0. A 0 means negative terminal. So A connected to the negative terminal. Next B you take B terminal. This is B terminal. So this is connected to the positive terminal. So if you connect B to the positive terminal, LED glows. So that means current passes in this way. So here no current because it is connected to the negative terminal and LED glows. Okay, clear? Next, both are connected to the positive terminal. So both you should connect it to the positive terminal. What happens here you see? If I connect both to the positive terminals, LED glows. So that means both positive, resultant also 1. Okay, this is the OR gate. Here, when you connect it, this both are negative terminal, that means both are 0. So resultant no LED glows, LED not glows here, so 0. So when A is connected to the positive, B is connected to the negative. So A is 1, B is 0. Current flows in this way, current does not flow in this circuit, then LED glows. That means 1 comes. Next A is 0, that means A is connected to the negative terminal, and B is 1 means B is connected to the positive terminal. Current flows in this way, and this will be 0. This will be 0. And LED glows due to current passes through the B terminal. If both are connected to the positive terminals, then current flows through it and LED glows will come. So this is the OR gate. We did practically by using a breadboard and using two diodes D1, D2, and these diodes are connected in forward bias. In OR gate, diodes are connected into forward bias. Is it clear? So we will see next class, that is AND gate.